In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pre-request scripts in Postman. Pre-request scripts are small pieces of JavaScript that run right before Postman sends your request. They're perfect for generating dynamic values, setting variables, computing timestamps, or preparing headers automatically so you don't have to do manual prep each time. Start by opening the request you want to automate. If you want the same logic to apply to many requests, open the collection or a specific folder instead. Scripts at the collection or folder level are inherited by the requests inside them. That way, shared setup logic, like generating a token or setting a common header, lives in one place and stays consistent across your workflow. With your request, folder, or collection open, go to the Scripts area and select the Pre-request tab. This is a dedicated editor where your setup code lives. Think of it as the before phase. Everything you write here executes immediately before the request runs, in the context of the item you have open. Now type your JavaScript. Postman gives you the PM API, which makes it easy to work with variables and request data. For example, you could create a timestamp and store it for later by writing const ts equals date.now, pm.variables, set timestamp ts. You can reference that value in your request as our timestamp. If you need a random ID for testing, you might do const id equals math, floor, math, random, 1e6, pm.variables, set random ID. You can also prepare headers dynamically. For instance, pm.request.headers at a key x correlation ID value string t's. And if you manage different environments, use pm.environment set key value for environment-specific data, or pm.collection variables set key value to share values across the entire collection. As you write, keep scripts focused and readable. Add brief comments so future you or your teammates understand why a value is created. Avoid hard-coding sensitive information. Store secrets in environment or collection variables and reference them in your script. Remember that collection-level pre-request scripts run before folder-level scripts, which run before request-level scripts, so plan the placement of your logic accordingly. When your code looks good, click Save. Saving ensures your script is attached to the request, folder, or collection and will run automatically every time that item executes. From now on, your setup work happens behind the scenes, making your requests more reliable, repeatable, and effortless. That's all you need to start using pre-request scripts effectively in Postman.